All right, here we go. Good luck, fellas. Second pack of 2015 Leaf Wrestling Autographed 8x10 Photograph Edition. They did not want to leave on a good note with that previous box, so they decided to do it again. Definitely got to be better than the first box. I mean, than that other box. Not the first one. All right, here we go. Good luck, everyone. Oh, very nice. Wendy Richter with, what's her name? Girls Just Want to Have Fun? Yeah, her. Cyndi Lauper. There you go. Cyndi Lauper. Thank you. That's some blood. Is that the Raven? Nevermore? That is Raven. Quote the Raven, Nevermore. Balls Mahoney. Yeah, ECW. ECW.
Who picked this box?
Yeah, that's what he said. We got a blonde.
Oh, Sonny?
Bobby the Brain Heenan. Poor Bobby. Sucks, man. And the last one is going to be a multi. I see Tito Santana and Don the Rock Morocco. I have no idea what's happening in that picture. He's got his eyes closed, like he poked him in his face. He's making a reaction like his arm is not in the appropriate place. That box was worse than the last one. England household picked out. Holy Man Francis is not here. There we go. Oh, yeah, FNA Juice did pick. Here we go. 10 times on the randomizer. 10 times. Oh, look. It's already random. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yee Punch. Jeez. Oh, gosh. It's almost the same. Look at that. It's almost the same. Oh, no. So these two were the only ones that should... Alright, we're going to close that randomizer now. Thank you, everybody.